and apologizing to her. You know, he was making a joke out of it, but it was an expensive joke because he was playing with creativity.
Because I was also working. I was also
please stop yelling because my voice can fucking go loud too. Don't yell.
We don't need to be all that kind of thing.
Let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you what happened. It was
true. I mean, this morning I woke up at.
Yeah guys, before you continue with the remaining part of the video, drama in Biggie's house today is so much, and after the fashion show the whole thing became worse. Yes,
you know, when I first got here I genuinely thought I felt happy, and I do, because I wanted this. But then in the grand scheme of things, I thought about it and I'm like, I thought this would take a significant chunk load of the pain that I feel. I wake up every...
And the housemates decided to fight themselves up and down, and love issue, so many issues up and down.
My patience, like, don't use words like ever, like it would always, or like the pain will always be there.
And Biggie decided to give them a serious task. And guys, you're welcome to my channel. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell, and comment your opinion on what you feel about this video. Saying the drama today decided to just push everyone out of seats today.
But laughing was fine up. Then at the end, they went. You were not there. Okay, you were not there. They went inside to look at the people's works. Now,
and Beatrice showed part of herself today too. Guys, you remember the doll Beatrice, the quiet Beatrice, everything Beatrice? She has really woken up, and she actually said it that today or this week she's going to be something different, and truly she has shown that part. I remember after the fashion show she was telling Cross that he would have given me the flower instead of giving it to Tega. Now Tega should be the one to score you, and Tega finally scored you. You have failed, and you're saying you should be the one to win the fashion show. Assuming you gave it to me, I would have scored you and you would have won. That was what Beatrice was saying. Now, she was having a discussion earlier today with Earrings, and that was in their changing room. Then she was talking about Lico Rose and Emmanuel's issue. So according to her, she said she was already handling the issue without any problem. Before you know it, Maria came and blew everything up. And as she was talking, someone else came in, and that was Maria. I think that should be Maria. She was coming in, or Rose or Maria, one of them. Yes, was coming in. She saw the person through the window, and she decided to change the topic immediately. The way she switched the topic even got Earrings worried. Hey, never can tell. You see, I always tell people, it's people that keep quiet, just don't finalize where they are. Even they bring down themselves. Beatrice is beginning to come out of her shell, and I like that. So she said she has actually talked to Emmanuel about their issue, and Maria. So guys, Sammy was actually telling Peace how he feels about her, and said that he is catching cruise with Angel. And don't forget, he was feeling bad that Angel did not sleep with him in the same bed, and Angel told him the reason that he did, or that she did what she did. And guys, before I continue, you're welcome to my channel, and do not forget to hit the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell, and comment your opinion on what you feel about this video. So guys, so many things happen in Biggie's house, and the housemates are busy frowning and fighting because of love. And the way Maria and Perry reconciled today, I don't even know if they have reconciled, but the one that shocked me is after all the quarrel, the way Lico Rose and Emmanuel reconciled, because Emmanuel was telling Lico Rose that she do not need to go spreading it, and that he knows her even before she came into this house, that she don't need to go spreading it, but that people will look down on her. It will be like she's the one fighting for love, that she don't need to go spreading it, that she loves him, and that Emmanuel is running away from her. All those kind of things that is not good. So now the Maria and Perry, they were busy talking about their own love, their own ship. And don't forget, Maria has told Perry one or two things that made her like him, Perry. And the discussion started or continued. That was even after Maria told Liquorose, told Emmanuel that he can't even see any connection again. And this same Maria told Liquorose that Emmanuel always kiss you. We're all women, and this whole thing doesn't make sense. This person kisses you, and at the same time, this same person will just go form like he don't know you. So, but the thing is, it seems Emmanuel don't really like this guy, this Liquorose, very well. That is all I can say. I think they're forcing, because looking at what Beatrice said, it seems they're forcing Emmanuel to like Liquorose. Yes, that with the look of things seems is what is happening. That if Emmanuel don't want Liquorose, he should give way for someone to come in. And that was what Beatrice was telling Earrings the other time. And the whole incident is so complicated right now, because I don't even know what to say again. Now Boma is just very busy with camera fears. Tega is busy telling people this friendship thing, this love thing is not why they are here. She's here because of the money. And even if Boma will tumble upside down, this is not why she's here, that she's here because of the money. So she's focused. And she was complaining about these white cards, and she was like, these white cards would have left this house for us to just know that we are so just 20. They would have just identified themselves and left the house before now. Okay, my dear, this is the game. That is what Biggie told them to do, that they did. So you two need to wake up from your slumber and act smart. That is just the game for you. So, but the truth is, Boma, Earrings, Tega, Emmanuel, they are not just comfortable with this whole white card thing. And I'm very sure to this day, they don't still trust those people. That even Maria was telling them that they now run away from them, that they don't even want to come close to them. It seems like they are, they say, it seems they are scared of them, that they are not white cards again, no, that they are now their real housemates. See, this is game. Barry was busy looking at her, or looking at them too. And you don't need to blame them. These people, you still came back to nominate them. The people up for eviction is just the two of you that actually made them to be off is the eviction. So why would they be scared? And the other time they wanted to eat. Yes, and that was the day Biggie gave them punishment. Before you know it, the Maria and Perry came in and sat at that dining. The people that were there before they came in, they left. I noticed that, and I noticed that this housemate, truly, they're not comfortable with this Perry and Maria, and they know too. So the ball is in their court. It's just for them to know how they play this game, because I'm very sure during this, in fact, I'm very, very sure that they're going to nominate them very well. That one I'm very sure. But I wish them all well. This is still the biggest game. That is how they want it played. So what I don't understand is how Perry just hates white money so well, and white money hasn't done anything to Perry. Yes, as far as I'm concerned. Okay, Maria finally realized herself. If she's playing game, she's the only person that knows. Realized herself and said she would have picked white money. Don't worry, next one is still coming. We still see what you do. Probably thinking that white money now have very big fan base outside. Thank you for thinking, because he already has. He has up to 300,000 followers, in case you do not know. So he keeps growing. For the haters, please do not hate. Just love and play the game, and that's all. So he's the full content. Everybody need to be the full content, so that people have reasons to always watch you and tell how you did to show you. That's all. Nothing again. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell, and comment your opinion on what you feel about this video. I love you guys.